Weather with meteorologist Natalie Nunn, certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, everyone. 11:16 on this Tuesday morning. How to think about that one. Currently in Branson, dry as can be. Now in Springfield, we saw that there was some light rain showers. We will all see rain. Just give it time. But right now, the rain, for the most part, is right along I-44. Here's what I can show you on our satellite and radar. That rain, it's like a conveyor belt of moisture streaming in from the south, from Tulsa to Bentonville and right into the Ozarks. Now we are seeing rain. A little bit more heavier right south of Rolla, stretching down to Licking along Highway 63 over towards Fort Leonard Wood and into Phelps County, into Waynesville, Pulaski County. Excuse me, I meant Pulaski County. And then down into Grove Springs and Hartville, we're also seeing some of that rain as well. Now back to the west, we have a widespread rain shower into Cassville, Neosho, into parts of Shell Knob, into Branson. So Branson soon will be seeing some of that rain. We're going to continue to see the threat for rain for quite some time because the bulk of this system, we've had the cold front move through, that's what we're dealing with right now, but the bulk of this system supplying a lot of the moisture is still sitting back into parts of Texas. So how much rain are we going to see? That's a great question. This is Futurecast showing that stream of rain into 3:30 a.m. So a solid 12 hours from there. Then let's look ahead to early Wednesday morning. We're going to continue to see the chance of rain widespread across the area. Could we see some rumbles of thunder? Yes. However, I think our better chance of seeing any severe weather is going to be well to the south. I don't think that's going to make it to our area. 12:30. Now notice how places like Clinton, Lake of the Ozarks, Camdenton might be left out of this. They're not going to see nearly as much rain as those south of I-44, south of even 54, to be honest with you. Now, could we end up with a little bit of rain or snow? You saw that kind of wrap around. There's a chance. I think we're going to stay mostly rain as this event. However, things start to change a little bit on Friday. I'm going to show you that in just a second. How much rainfall are we looking at? I think 1 to 3 inches would be possible. High side on 3 inches, that would be down to our south. The maps have shifted just a little bit more to the south. It's like Mountain Home could see 2.5 inches of rain. If you get under a thunderstorm, possibly some locally higher amounts. In Springfield, I think additional to what we've already seen, about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches possible. And you can see there's a little bit more of a cutoff for those northern counties. Temperatures right now, we're 42 degrees. We're not going to warm up a whole lot from there. And you have to factor in a wind chill when it's this dreary and this cool. Some places feeling more like it's in the 30s, so you'll want to bundle up, not quite like yesterday as you head out. For today, our high mid to upper 40s. For tonight, temperatures right around 40 degrees, so it's going to be staying as rain. Take a look at this. I mentioned the rain from now until we head into your Wednesday night, but by Friday, there's a chance that this next storm system could bring a little bit of snow. This shows 3:30 a.m., maybe for your morning commute early. Our northern counties could be wrapping up with a little snow. I think moisture's limited on this. I don't think it's going to be a big event, but I wanted to give you an idea that there is that chance that we could see some frozen precipitation on Friday into maybe even early Saturday morning. Here's that 7-day forecast. Temperature-wise, nothing too crazy, which is nice to see. We will see 52 on Thursday. And look at Sunday, Super Bowl 55. Grill out those burgers, Jesse.
No, not a bad day to break out the grill and get going.
Yeah.
So, yeah, and a little bit of rain.
And cornhole outside.
So, oh, of course. Got to have the traditional tailgate games out there.
That's right.
Get everybody fired up.